Wow. It's actually happening. Better get out of the way. Wow. The man of the hour. This guy's the top mechanic. Top mechanic. Wow, this is cool. I'm so happy. You know how many times you get to have your truck worked on anyway? By top mechanics. Just blows my pea brain. Wow, cool. Hey guys. Welcome to the channel. This is Mike with Door Lock Tips. It's finally in. I'm not really in a big hurry though. You know, if you watch my other videos, please look at the other videos on this particular lock and door truck fix. Oh, they're on it now though. But yeah, I don't know if they're gonna get it fixed. It's so not obvious. You know, a rattle. You can hear that in the background. This is a working shop. Yeah. So anyway, I feel very comfortable here. Great place. I hope they fix my truck. And we got a man working on the truck. Now this guy's done a ton of work on this thing. I don't envy him. This is one heavy load. I'm hauling about 9,000 pounds in this truck, way overloaded. They replaced the springs in the back, which is cool, right? Any of you guys, locksmiths that have, overloading issues, you need to change your springs. And then I'm hoping they get this rattle. It's driving me out of my mind. And they got their top mechanic on it. He was going to give it his best. We just talked about it, and he goes, okay, I'll replace every bushing in there. But, we don't know. We don't know. They might not solve it today. But at least I'm giving it a try. Springs replaced, front end alignment, total shock absorber mess fixed now. And this will be a blast. Let's hope. You know, I can't hardly believe there's so much rubber in this building. It's just, it really just goes on and on. And that mixer, they have had it in here for about 3 months as far as I know. And they've totally rebuilt this. Totally rebuilt it. I mean, there's just brand new everything on it. And if you guys know what all this stuff is, I can see a bar here. This is crazy cool. Who does this kind of stuff? I mean, seriously. What, guys? Daniel got it. He got it. No more rattle. No more rattle from hell. You don't know how happy I am. So these guys, they really work on beautiful things. They have a speed shop that will blow your brain out. So somebody did some chopping on this bad boy, so it's not factory stock, but is that beautiful or what? What are these wheels? These wheels are beautiful. My goodness. So I came to the right place. It's solved after 2 years of having Mercedes-Benz top mechanics in Idaho, Florida, And here in North Carolina, not solve it, this place right here, the Spring Shop in North Carolina, fixed it. Thank you guys for subscribing. Please tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips. And this is solved. This is solved, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Whew. Whew. No more rattle. Thanks again. Bye. Daniel's the man. He didn't think he could get it, but he did it. Thank you, Daniel. You are the man. Wow.